Hello, I received your question. You sent me this picture here, and here's the original question. You're not following the directions. I can see right away that you're using the binomial calculator, which we did use earlier. But this section, if you look real closely at the directions here, they're hard to read, but if you bring them up, it says use the normal approximation of the binomial to approximate the probability of the following. So they want you to use the normal calculator. You're using the binomial calculator, and they're specifying, they want you to use the normal curve to approximate these binomial problems. And so you're using the wrong calculator. So you need to switch and choose the normal calculator. And when you do use the normal calculator, remember the mean is n times p, and the standard deviation is n times p times quantity 1 minus p, square root of that. And it looks like you are using the correction factor correctly. When you use that when you do the normal calculator, you actually, I don't think, would do that with the binomial calculator. And so you may want to go back and look at the video of example 2 in StatCrunch. He works out a video. Go back and examine video example 2, where he uses StatCrunch, and he walks you through the steps of using the normal calculator in StatCrunch. I hope this helps.